Right, here we are, MT96 Thompson, well, Michael T96 Thompson, back here again. This is the shot which I was going to show you in the last video, until I got told off making too much noise. But here we are, the pannier tank with the correct stock for from the Railway Children movie. And yes, Steve sounds surprised, but they've really outdone themselves for this video, for this locomotive. And I have never seen this engine in service, but I'm pretty sure people, if they ever saw this engine in service, just get rid of the number plate there. Get rid of the numbers. Yeah, if you get rid of that, yeah, then you get the actual engine they use in the Railway Children. And I have actually seen this engine, and I'm not going to be on trumpet for this, but in the actual exhibition shed, this number here, I actually painted with somebody to repaint the number to make it look splendid, because it was getting worn. But anyway, let's me talking, let's hear this beautiful sound to this engine roll. Oh, come on now. Yeah, just to remind you that the sound which I've of this particular pannier tank is actually not the steam sound spray one. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. It's the London Underground fictional route pannier tank I've got on this train right now. So there you are. So I'm gonna leave this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this has been a short video, but it's just that I kind of want to go to bed, and plus I will get told off making too much noise again. So just to say good night is the pannier tank, and also me. Good night, and hope to see you again in the future videos. And if you like this video, please like it, and also leave a comment of what you think I should film of the engines. Well, if you want me to show you what I've got for my locomotives, I have got in Train Simulator, and I'll drive one, review it, and tell you what it's like to have for a thing, well, you know, for a DLC for Train Simulator. So see all you do, well, see you everybody, and hope to see you again. Ta-ra.